Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to invest in ETF through angel broking. So without wasting any time, let's get started. An ETF, which is exchange traded fund, is a type of investment fund that is traded on stock exchange, similar to individual stocks. Now, to invest in ETF through angel broking, what you need to do first is log in to your Angel One account using your credentials. Make sure your app is up to date for the best experience. ETFs are popular among both individual and institutional investors due to their simplicity, transparency, and flexibility. You can directly search for specific ETFs using search bar. Alternatively, scroll down on the homepage and you will find an option labeled ETF under the news section. Click on it to see a list of available ETFs. ETFs are characterized under equity, sector, smart beta, global, gold, silver, etc. Click on any ETF to see detailed information including holdings, risk level, expense ratio, and the weightage of stocks in the ETF. To buy ETF, choose the ETF you want to invest in. For this demo, select an ETF under the smart beta category. Click on the green buy button. Enter the number of ETF units you wish to purchase. Remove the total charge, usually minimal such as 0.28 paisa. Confirm your order and the ETF units will be added to your portfolio. To view your purchase ETFs, go to the portfolio section, then click on all to see all your investments. If your ETFs are not visible in the portfolio, check under the positions tab. To sell your ETF, click on the ETF in your portfolio, select the number of units you want to sell and confirm. The order will be executed and you will receive a confirmation message once completed. By following these steps, you can easily invest in ETFs via Angel One, either through a one-time purchase or systematically using SIP. And that's pretty much all about how you can invest in ETF through angel broking. But I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.